sister to first introduce herself and talk to you in the local language. That you have a Kyagulanyi who is a woman who is from here. You know that we are going to change our country. But I want you also to know that you have a role to play. And on the 15th of January, we are going to accomplish that. Please, I know we are going to talk to more people, but you who are here, we want to give you a message to send to the people home. Everybody that you can connect with, whether physically or on phone. Tell them that it is time for a new Uganda, and that new Uganda You realize that they're trying to stop us from talking to you because they know that when we talk to you, you open your eyes. Itunga papai, yoga kere. Yalama noi. Thank you very much for welcoming us. Power.